Good evening, dear viewers. It's time for another Death Battle reaction. This one's going to be Black Canary versus Sindel, DC versus Mortal Kombat. And to get right to it, as much as I love Black Canary, I don't think she's winning this one. I'd be surprised. I want her to win, but all the feats they've talked about for Sindel, this is not anything I'll be screaming over. These two lovely ladies, are master at loud, attack with their own voices, screaming basically, enough to cause massive damage, even death. And yeah, I love Black Canary, and I still have yet to see the movie Birds of Prey, but I think Sindel's got this. I'd be happy if I'm proven wrong, but for now, that's just the way I'm leaning. Anyway, on to this. I hope you all enjoy my reaction. 3, 2, 1, go.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Enough of this farce, Earthrealmer. Behold your queen!
That hair.
I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
I mean, I think he has seen it both before. I'm not sure. Ooh.
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep. So are ring-outs a thing here?
Insufferable creature! We fight to the death!
So, it seems that he has more powerful vocal powers.
Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly?
Ooh!
Fatality.
I'm glad.
Looks like Sindel's head is blasting up again! Or, well, for the first time, technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta, so I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster, and with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
I know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are frickin' weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute. That means the canary cry would be
about 1 million times stronger than the banshee scream. Nearly 500 megatons of TNT.
Awesome.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner is Black Canary.
Okay.
Hey, thanks
Good
for watching
job,
this
Black
episode
Canary.
of Death Battle. If you want the battle music for yourself, please click the link in the description below and
These
check
things
out this
are
other
hot
stuff we do.
streak. Okay, next time. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Power Rangers. Okay, Leonardo versus Jason. Okay, I like it. I don't know if they're going to include the Megazord. I doubt it, but that'll be an interesting fight. But way to go, Diana. Glad you won. Glad I was proven wrong, and definitely check out the original content before you see my work or anything I do. I still have a few projects that I'm working on, and hopefully I can get them out before the end of the month. I hope y'all have a great evening, and talk to you then. See y'all later.